I prefer federal court.
Why is that?
It's kind of touchy, but I might as well be candid here. The level, the expectations are much higher.
I've always viewed federal court as a little more professional, a little more by the book.
It's much more demanding. More is expected of you, and that's not everyone. From the judges who are appointed by the president and approved by the U.S. Senate, they don't just grab people off the street typically. And from the federal prosecutors, I was on the hiring committee, and it was not unusual to have 100 applicants for one position.
Wow. And
you're talking Harvard lawyers and so forth. So my point is that goes from probation to clerks to and the defense counsel. There's so many defense lawyers who do not practice in federal court because they're intimidated by it. And that kind of weeds out, it kind of makes it more of an elite practice.
Absolutely. In fact, I before we started, I was telling you that I just saw you in federal court on, I believe it was Monday, and I was impressed with the way that you carried yourself and your interactions with the court. And I'm on that opposite spectrum of it. I'm one of those intimidated attorneys seeing a guy like you up at the podium saying, I wish I could be more like that guy.
But there's also less shenanigans in federal court.
There's very few shenanigans in federal court.
I was trying a federal case, and I put my client on the stand as a defense attorney, and he started crying. Now, I didn't make him cry, but the jury got taken out, and I got yelled at because my client cried on the stand. And I didn't say anything, but I felt like saying, I don't have any control over that.
Is that
judge.
when you approached the witness and you started pinching him, or you started hurting him?
In the Del Rio division of federal court, this is for real. I wish I had a picture to show you. There's a sign outside of the courtroom that says, "No crying."
Okay. Really?
Yes.
Wow.